Hi folks, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm here to share with you how to prepare the cleansing milk at home. If you are new to the channel, this is just Raina and I cover up the topics on home remedies for skincare, beauty, hair styling. I'll be coming up with these styling videos as well for you guys. So if you're someone who's interested in all of that, you must subscribe right away. And don't forget to hit the bell icon because that's going to give you the notifications. As asked by some of you like how to prepare a cleansing milk at home, I thought of doing a video. There are basic ingredients that you will get at your home, so you don't have to buy anything from outside. It's gonna be a very simple thing and you'll be having all of this at your home, and if you don't have that, I'll give you the alternative as well. Without any delay, let's get started. So the first thing you need is an empty bottle, and the next you can take any moisturizing lotion, body lotion, or you can also take any moisturizing cream. I would suggest a lotion because the consistency is not very thick and a little bit lighter. You can pump this. Try to fill half of it. We have filled almost half of this bottle. Now I'm going to add 5 teaspoons of rose water into this. Shake it. Now is the time to add this vitamin E. Why I'm using vitamin E is because first of all, it is really good for healthy and glowing skin. It has anti-aging properties and also it lightens the scars. I'm taking Evian 400, so I'll be putting 2 capsules here. I'm just gonna cut this up. Now just shake it again and your cleanser is ready. That's it. It was so simple. You get all the ingredients in your home. But yes, if some of you doesn't have vitamin E at home right now, you can also add aloe vera gel if that suits your skin, or you can put coconut oil instead, but make sure not to buy organic coconut oil. So that was all about this video. If you enjoyed it, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your wonderful comments for me and let me know if there's any questions that you have. Till then, stay safe, stay home. See you guys later with the next video.